Today's video will help you fix 0x80248007 error in Windows Update in Windows 10. There is no fixed solution to this annoying error. We will be sharing 4 possible solutions. Hopefully one of 4 solutions will work for you. Modifying Windows Updates service can fix it. You need to disable Windows Updates service to delete temporary update files in software distribution folder, and then re-enable updates service. To disable Windows Updates service, go to Start menu. Type in Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Open Administrative Tools. Double-click on Services to open. Search for Windows Updates service. Double-click to open. Stop Windows Updates service. Choose Disabled from the drop-down menu, and click Apply to save the settings. Now go to Drive C, or any other partition, where Windows 10 is installed. Open Windows folder. You now need to search for a folder named Software Distribution. Open Software Distribution folder. Open Data Store folder. Delete all files in this folder. Go back to Software Distribution folder. Now open Download folder. Select all, and delete. It will ask for administrator permission. Click Continue. Otherwise enter the administrator password if you don't have an administrator account. Get back to Services, re-enable, and start Windows Updates service. Close Services window, and check if it fixes or not. Let's move to the next option, if the problem still persists. The second option to fix this error is restarting Windows Installer service. This option requires administrative privileges to restart Windows Installer service. Go to Start menu. Type in CMD to search for command prompt. Right-click on command prompt, and run as administrator. Type net start MSI server, and hit enter. Hopefully this helps you get rid of this annoying error. Let's move to the next option, if the problem still persists. Corrupted files could be a reason for this annoying error, though it does not work all the time, but we can give a try to the System File Checker to repair corrupted files. To use this tool, go to Start menu. Search for command prompt by typing CMD. Right-click on command prompt, and run as administrator. Before you use it, keep in mind, it takes a while to complete, so let it finish, and then restart your PC, for changes to take effect. Type sfc/scan now, and hit enter. We do hope it helped you resolve the issue. Let's move to last option, if you are still unable to get rid of this annoying problem. Use a third-party software for Windows 10 updates, if all previous suggested solutions fail to fix this annoying error. Windows Update MiniTool is a free and trusted alternative to the standard Windows Update. This easy-to-use piece of software can download and install Windows updates and Windows drivers. Team Simple Tutorial. Hope you find today's video informative, and one of suggested solutions fixed 0x80248007 error. Please let us know in the comments section. If we could not explain anything properly, we will try to help you solve your problem. The comments section can also be used for precious suggestions and feedback.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.